Welcome to Amity School of Architecture and Planning, Amity University, Chhattisgarh. I am Dr. Parampreet Kaur, Professor and Acting Director, and it is my pleasure to introduce you to the school where creativity, innovation, and professional excellence comes together. At our school, we offer two dynamic programs, Bachelor of Architecture and Bachelor of Interior Design, designed to prepare students for the evolving world of design and built environment. Our learning approaches combines classroom knowledge with hands-on experiences through design studios, model making, site visit, workshops, and collaborative projects. Students develop the skill and confidence needed to become future-ready professionals. The creativity and achievement of our students are showcased in our permanent exhibition area, where innovative models, drawings, and design projects come to life. Beyond academics, we believe in holistic development. Students actively participate in cultural, technical, and leadership activities throughout the year. Events such as Amity Spark, our annual Techno-Cultural Festival, and Sangathan, Amity Flagship Sports Festival, provide opportunities to learn, compete, collaborate, and grow. At Amity School of Architecture and Planning, we are committed to nurturing creative thinkers, responsible designers, and future leaders who will shape sustainable and meaningful spaces for generations to come. We invite you to join us and be part of this exciting journey.